Good morning students. Today also we will see class 10 chemistry chapter number 4 carbon and its compound. So we are seeing the chemical reactions of carbon and its compound. So under that we have seen combustion and oxidation reactions. Okay. So today in this topic we will learn about the addition reaction of carbon compound. Addition reaction of carbon and its compound. So addition, what is meant by addition? Addition means to add something in someone. Yes, to add something extra in someone. So who will take the additional thing? Who will add something? Whoever need, they only take the addition, they only take the additional things. Okay, right? So कौन लेगा एडिशनल, मतलब किसको चाहिए कोई तो भी एडिशन कौन करेगा खुद में? जिसको जरूरी है, जो इनकम्प्लीट है वही एडिशन क्या करेगा? डिजायर करेगा, उस वही एडिशन डिजायर करेगा. यस, it will desire only the addition who is incomplete, means unsaturated. Here in the language of chemistry we can say which is unsaturated, it will only able to add. Yes, but so addition reaction are those reaction in which addition of hydrogen atoms takes place to the carbon compound. Yes, addition reaction are those in which addition of hydrogen atoms takes place in the carbon compound. So here two types of carbon compounds. One are saturated hydrocarbons and another unsaturated hydrocarbons. Here in saturated hydrocarbon single bond is present, we learn that, and here all bonds are, all valencies are fulfilled by sharing of electrons with another atoms. Yes, so here addition of hydrogen takes place very in saturated form. Yes, means saturated form is here of hydrogen and carbon. Are you getting? Means two carbons are having total 8 valencies and one is shared, one valence is shared with itself. Only 3 valencies are remaining, and that all that 3 valency means total 6 valencies are fulfilled here by hydrogen atoms. By 6 hydrogen atoms all the valencies are fulfilled. तो ये ऐड क्यों करेगा? यहाँ पूरा का पूरा यदि सेटिस्फाइड है तो ये खुद में और एक हाइड्रोजन ऐड करेगा, तो कहाँ करेगा? यस, नो वे, कोई यहाँ पर और रास्ता ही नहीं है ना ऐड करने के लिए. So the saturated hydrocarbon will not show the addition reaction because it's having enough number of hydrogen atoms. Yes, so we will see here unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are having double bond and there is less number of hydrogens than the saturated hydrocarbon. Are you seeing this? This is ethane and this is ethyne. Sorry, this is ethane and this is ethene. Here 6 hydrogen atoms, here only 4 hydrogen atoms, and carbon-carbon double bond is formed here. And this double bond is breakable. Yes, this covalent bond is very strong as compared to this double bond. Yes, it is a very strong bond. It is very difficult to break that covalent bond as compared to this double bond. समझ में आया? डबल बॉन्ड से ये सिंगल कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड ब्रेक करना बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है, एंड दिस डबल बॉन्ड कैन ब्रेक इजीली देन द carbon-carbon single bond. So here double bond is present in case of unsaturated hydrocarbons. So it can break easily, and what will happen if we will add hydrogen? If we will add hydrogen in it, what will happen? This double bond will break. This double bond will break here, and then what will happen? The hydrogen will add here in this manner. hydrogen will add here in this manner. Here double bond will break. This double bond will break down and two hydrogen atoms separately will get bonded here. And what we got? We got the product as a ethane. So ethene से हमने क्या बनाया है? By the addition of hydrogen we got ethane. मतलब unsaturated से ये saturated बन गया है by adding itself two hydrogen atoms here. Yes? So do you understood that? Yes? Here double bond is present. Double bond is present and less number of hydrogen atoms are present, and this double bond is able to break easily. That's why it is able to take hydrogen atom externally. Yes, so that we can add hydrogen atom in that, and when the hydrogen atoms get added in this ethene, what will happen? This double bond will break down and two hydrogen atoms will add to give ethane compound. Yes. So here is the reaction will happen its own? Yes. No. This reaction will also need some agents as a catalyst. यहाँ पर भी एक catalyst की जरूरत है और एक एजेंट की जरूरत है, लेकिन यहाँ पर एजेंट क्या रहेगा? ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट तो नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन तो है नहीं है. यहाँ पर रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट वी हैव टू यूज बिकॉज एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज ऑक्सीडेशन एंड एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज कॉल्ड रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. वी लर्न इन फर्स्ट चैप्टर दैट. यस. सो हियर बिकॉज ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन reduction reaction is takes place. So here also catalyst we have to use. So which catalyst we can use here? Nickel catalyst we can use here. And after using this reducing agent, after applying the catalyst nickel, that is reducing agent, we can get only the saturated hydrocarbon from the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay. So hydrogen can be added in that only by using the nickel catalyst, or palladium catalyst we can use again, or platinum also we can use here. So instead of nickel we can use platinum also, we can use palladium also. So here I have used nickel and we got the product ethane. Yes. So this was about the addition reaction. So we will discuss very important point where this addition reaction we can use, that we will see. Suppose this is ethane. I will again write that reaction. Yes. Here H, here H, and in presence of catalyst only we can add the hydrogen. Means reduction reaction will take place here, but in presence of nickel catalyst, either platinum catalyst, either palladium catalyst we have to use here. तीनों भी एक साथ नहीं, तीनों में से कोई तो भी एक ही यूज करना है. Here I had mentioned nickel catalyst only, but you can use that platinum also and palladium also. Okay. So after the addition of that hydrogen, which product we will get? This double bond is weak, so it will break down, and here carbon single bond will form. Yes. Initially it was having two hydrogen atom, and after breaking this pi bond, addition of hydrogen atom takes place here. Two hydrogen atoms are added here, and what happened? From ethene or from alkene we got alkane, we got ethane. Yes. Unsaturated say saturated, from unsaturated saturated we got. So one thing I want to discuss with you that how we can identify which compound is unsaturated or which compound is saturated. So for that we have to apply, we can apply bromine water test. It's a very short test. We can apply in laboratory also. You will learn in your 11th 12th standard that. Okay. So we will discuss here. So are you using cooking oil in your kitchen? Yes. And are you using sometimes vanaspati ghee? So this cooking oil is nothing but unsaturated hydrocarbon. It is the longer chain of hydrocarbon, and it is chain of unsaturated hydrocarbon. In that, carbon-carbon double bond is present in the form of longer chain. Yes. So unsaturated carbon compounds are lighter and it is easy to digest than the saturated. है ना? Unsaturated hydrocarbons are easy to digest because the pi bond break very easily, and if we can also digest is very easily. So that our cooking oil is very good and very easy to digest. It is light and it is easy to digest. But the vanaspati ghee is the saturated form of the cooking oil, and it is heavy to digest. Or animal fats are also very heavy to digest. Yes, so that many non-vegetarian things are very heavy to digest because it's having saturated hydrocarbons. So unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is cooking oil, is unsaturated hydrocarbon. It is a longer chain of unsaturated hydrocarbon. It is unsaturated hydrocarbon, and it gives after reduction whatever palladium, platinum we can use. It gives saturated hydrocarbon, that is vanaspati ghee, like that product we can get here. Or butter also we can take here. Butter, yes, butter is also saturated hydrocarbon. Cooking oil is unsaturated and butter is also saturated hydrocarbon. It's having a lot of fats than the cooking oil. Butter is having lot of fats. But this is natural fat, that's why it is easier to digest than the vanaspati ghee. So we can modify the cooking oil into vanaspati ghee, that is called dalda. Yes. So this reduction process or addition of hydrogen, this process is used in the formation of vanaspati ghee. Yes. So cooking oil plus hydrogen in presence of reducing agents such as nickel, palladium, platinum. So by using this reducing agent, we can convert the cooking oil into vanaspati ghee that are saturated hydrocarbon. Yes, that are saturated hydrocarbon. Yes. So we can convert the unsaturated hydrocarbon into saturated hydrocarbon, that are from cooking oil. By reduction we can convert vanaspati ghee. So this process is specially used in industry for the conversion of this type of product, from the conversion of this reactor to this type of product. Okay. So this was about the addition reaction. I hope you understood, and read this topic from your textbook as well, and do that reaction, practice that reactions related to addition reaction, and all reaction up to that what I have mentioned, you have to practice that reaction by writing. Yes, by writing only you can practice like a mathematics. Okay, otherwise otherwise you will forget that reaction. Okay, thank you.